There's a 1999 Chevy S10 2.2 liter, taking the starter as all the way down there. It is harder than I thought. There's a bracket, you got to remove that bracket that's down here. This is already off the shield, but it's right there. Half of it, some of it is right there. I still have to take the starter. I haven't taken it out yet. Took the shield off. It's over there. Well, now continue. I'll show you when it's done. Didn't know this thing had the starter here has a heat shield. Starter 99 S10. It's in there. Install the starter. It's in there. I better view from down there. Oh, there it is. Brand new. Starts right up.